Do you want to know how to turn this into this? Keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Shay's Way. I hope you're enjoying all of the projects that we've been doing together. Always feel free to like it, subscribe, share, and make sure you click on the bell, the notification button. That way you know when I've uploaded new content. Now, today we're actually going to work on getting our office together. It's been some time, but because she's out there just, making a mess, Corona's just everywhere, so we're gonna go ahead and get it done today. We're going to work on assembling the floating desk. Before I go any further, I need to let you know just a little bit more about who he is. He invited me again, and when I went, he gave me huge discounts. I mean, you can't beat that. Look what I got. The wood, my braces or brackets, whichever you prefer, and marble-like liner. You can't beat that. And I can't tell you who he is right now, okay? So don't ask me, don't do that. In due time, trust me, I'll let you know. Now, back to the project. I didn't want to bore you with the measurements because that would just take too much time. So, as you can see, I already measured this line. This is actually where the desk will go. And then this little dot right here is where we're going to have our nail. Please stay tuned for the rest of the project. Oh my gosh. One thing I forgot to tell you is you also need drywall mounting screws, which includes the plastic studs that are hammered into the hose that you do have to drill into the wall, and the screws that come with it, where you can get from just about anywhere. Note to self, DIY projects are somewhat difficult with nails. All 4 brackets are nailed in and sturdy, as you can see. That's why I'm pressing down on it to show the durability. We will now begin to work on our desk. Now I'm just putting the marble-like liner on our desk, making sure I'm pressing down firmly to make sure that there's no bubbles. Oh my gosh! I absolutely love this marble-like liner. Very easy and durable, very easy to work with. As you can see now, I'm just folding the corners over as if you were wrapping a gift to make sure that everything's pressed down firmly. Once again, to make sure you're avoiding bubbles. finally, the last part. I know it feels like an eternity, right? The last piece, in order to make it look cohesive, we're just going to overlap down firmly again, just to make sure that there's no breakage or gap in between. And when we get done, you won't even be able to tell that we've overlapped it. For the corners, I'm adding wood glue to adhere to the wood. The reason why I'm using wood glue instead of E6000 or hot glue gun, because the wood glue works best when it comes to wood. After that, we will put the clamps on to apply pressure for it to stick. I'd recommend keeping the clamps on for about a good 4 hours. There you have it, guys. That's how you go from that to this. Such a gorgeous floating desk. DIY, Shays Way.